Ohayou gozaimasu, Wonders. Welcome back to We Wonder Japan. I just recently got home from a 2-week trip in Japan. I have a whole new series of Japan videos on the way. But first, I want to post this walkthrough of the Nintendo store in Fukuoka because I was there on opening weekend and it's still a very, very new store. So I want to post this one first to get it out there for anyone who's interested in this brand new Nintendo location to be able to check out and see what it's all about. This is not a typical structured video like I normally make. It's just a walkthrough of the Nintendo store. So if you're interested in that, please stick around. I think you'll really enjoy it. If not, I have more of my normal videos on the way soon. A lot of content coming to this channel. But either way, I hope you enjoy and I'll see you soon. Keep wondering. I don't know.
How does it work? Oh, it's just $5.50 and you stuff it full.
It's the bestest boy. Oh my god, Yoshi. Everybody loves Yoshi. Yoshi. Everyone loves Yoshi. Who doesn't love Yoshi? Oh, Yoshi. Oh, banana. Oh, banana. Oh, banana. Oh, banana. That's kind of sick, man. That's kind of sick. Captain Toad! How much is he?
I don't know.
Cappy! Oh my god! That's so
Cappy
cool!
himself.
Dakota, I know you'll never watch this, but look how cute this is! Oh my god!
All this crazy. Dude, you could have bought. We're fighting him and beating
Dry
him.
Bones Bowser! He's so cool. Dude, they have everything, man. Everything. Christmas Mario.
Didn't know the backside was even here, and I saw this one towel by itself.
It's cute.
It literally matched.
Guys, I don't know what this is, but interesting. It's down here, I think. I think that's it. This place is like a dream come true, man. This is amazing. So much better than the one in Shibuya. So much. Also, they were giving free Christmas ornaments right now, and I got Yoshi. Literally my favorite Nintendo character. Like, seriously?
I got Princess Peach.
Oh, okay, Princess Peach is cool.
But that's a win.
I do want to say as well, quickly, if you're planning a trip to Japan and you know you want to go to a Nintendo store, and you happen to be planning to go to Fukuoka as well, I highly recommend coming to the Fukuoka Nintendo store over the Shibuya in Tokyo Nintendo store. This was a much better experience. I enjoyed it much more. It's much bigger. There's more space to move around. It didn't feel like as much of a madhouse. It was a bit of a madhouse. We are here on opening weekend, but it wasn't as bad as in Shibuya. So if you are coming to Fukuoka, just skip the Shibuya one completely and come here. Truly, seriously.